again request Madam Penis Fatima to please welcome Professor Umesh Banakar. Again request Rector Ma'am to please welcome Professor Rajeshri Dubey. Again request Honorable Rector Ma'am to please welcome Mr. Chandrasekhar. Again request Rector Ma'am to please welcome Mr. Sonam Anshuk sir. Now at last I request for the Rector Ma'am to please welcome Dr. Jigmet Dechen, Dean Student Welfare, University of Ladakh.
Activities. This time we are having a conference on 5th and 6th of December in Goa. I do welcome Professor Mehta and Ganesh Madam. You should try to make it. Please do, all of you participants, please do come to Goa. We had Professor Salim who was here last time, though he didn't make it for the conference, but he did come to visit Goa. Go much, and I'm sure you all will enjoy this workshop. Thank you all once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your insightful introduction to the special intervention program. Your dedication to the field of intellectual property rights is evident in your address, and particularly your address has set the tone for a journey of exploration and knowledge.
5 minutes presentation will be over, which will give you an idea as to what are we going to do for these 5 days. Why is the government pushing for patents or IPR or
Morning to all. Esteemed Professor S.K. Mehta, Honorable Vice Chancellor, University of Ladakh, Professor Umesh Banakar, President Banakar Consulting.
although we should take much more advantage, I don't know how much advantage we are taking, how much our faculty and students are gaining, but I think your persistent efforts coming again and again and giving us the opportunity to organize these programs is really commendable. And from the core of our heart, on behalf of Ma'am Ganesh Fatima ji and whole fraternity of University of Ladakh, we are really grateful to all of you, all three. And I think in future, since I have told that you are part of us now, University of Ladakh, and it will be a bright, university will have bright future because of the efforts of people like scientific people like you. Thank you very much once again coming and gracing this program. Thank you.